Oh yeah, I'm tired. I've been filming RVs all day. But if you've been looking for that family RV that can sleep 5, but also doubles as a awesome kids sleep over in the backyard RV when the cousins visit, woo, I got your peanut butter and jelly sandwich waiting. Because it's the 18PB. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the all-new Forest River Cherokee. This is the Wolf Pup 18PB, my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Coming in at 23 feet 10 inches, you're looking at 4,400 pounds dry. Now, this is a unique coach. I can't remember the model that it was back in the day, but this is a very similar take on the one that they did that had the one bunk that came over the top of the jackknife sofa here. So gone is that, but now in its place is this easy out like sleeper sofa that I have everything like Velcroed in, so I'm not going to pull it all the way out, but hopefully you saw at the beginning that I was laying on it. But the thing that struck me about this when I was talking to my buddy Ryan about it was this coach is only 23 feet 10 inches. We're State Park Suite. I got a booth dinette, plush and comfortable with cloth. That reduces down into a sleeper. I got this pull out. That's a sleeper. And then, of course, I got the queen size bed up front, east to west. That's my main sleeper. He said, man, my kids would love this when the cousins come to visit. This would be set up in the backyard or in the driveway. The kids, this is where they would crash out, the sleepover. What a wonderful idea. Now, when you're going to go camping, you got everything that you need. Absolutely. Look, I got giant windows. I got wood balances. I got pleated shades for some privacy as well as light dampening, USB-C and A charging, storage underneath the booth dinette over here in drawers, my kitchen, pressed surface countertop. I got the undermounted stainless steel gunmetal sink with the high-rise faucet. I got the 2-burner cooktop, the cutting board cover, microwave, more storage. I got the big old AC with the quick cool dump. And then they gave me this. Well, what is that, you say? Well, it's the angled entertainment center where when I put my TV here, everybody in the coach can see it. But if I want to get me a little bit more storage, I got this space in here that is awesome. And check this out. Now we can play hide and go seek. And don't you do it? Don't you? I saw you trying to do it. Don't you do it? I know you too well, you alligator. I'm sorry to hit your hand. That's what you get. But that's also where your cable connection as well as your power are for your TV here, and you can run them here. So for 23 feet, 10 inches, really a State Park sweetheart. I got my fridge on the back wall. This is 12 volt. It is 10.7 cubic foot, so I can run it while going down the road. I can't really reach it from the shower to get myself a shower beer. I'm going to show you the bathroom here in a minute. So that's probably the biggest negative for me. But they gave me some storage space. I got the hidden pantry. I got space under the dinette. I got a seating spot, so if this is the couples coach, me and my loved one can reconnect there and watch TV. And I don't have to upgrade my family vehicle to tow it. So if I need the additional space to sleep, all right, so let's say 2, 4, 5, maybe 6, that's pretty sweet. But we are going to be up on top of each other, which is why I say this is the sleepover coach. If the kids, the cousins, the grandkids, whatever, everybody's coming in for the holidays or whatever, this is going to be an awesome time. Set up their favorite movie up here. Maybe it's Cars 2. Everybody's watching, microwave the popcorn, let them wash their hands here. And when everybody needs to get cleaned up or get to the bathroom and use it, you got a true separated bathroom. I like this because most rear corner baths, you still don't feel like it's separate from the coach. I think this angle of the wall and this doorway really make this feel separate to me. And to be nestled back here in the corner, it's not bad space. I'm not cramped. I got the high-rise plastic bowl. I got storage under my vanity, mirrored medicine cabinet, which is oversized, some countertop, some storage space, and a tankless water heater. Now, your tanks on this are 26, 28, and 28. I'm going to show you the command panel here in a minute. I don't hate it. I do. You know what? I kind of like it. My shower. Now, this is going to be a kicker for me. Okay. I do need the vent and fan for my headspace, though, because I'm 6'2". But I got the shower surround, and it is a tub surround, too. So if you do have the little kids or the dogs, it's a great way to get them cleaned up in here without spilling over onto that Congolian flooring. But I do need the headroom there. So not really a game changer for me. The curtain is on a curved bar, so I'll have a little bit more room up top to move around. But all in all, this is pretty sweet. This is pretty dang sweet. Now, I just barely showed you the bed up front, so let's go back and take a look at that, because if you're picking up this coach, that's probably where you're going to be sleeping. No, this isn't my garage door opener. This is your controls for your lights, your water pump, your awnings, and your slide. Because if you don't like modern technology, and here, I'm going to shut this door right here. If you don't like modern technology, you got analog technology to help you out. But we have an awesome camp command system. Love what the Cherokee folks did here. So, water systems, I can control my tank heaters as well as my water pump. And like I mentioned, you got 26 on the fresh, 28 on the gray, 28 on the black. I can control the climate from in here. It's all a touchscreen. And I have dimmable lights on all my sections of lights in here. I really like that. My motors control, that's going to be your slide as well as your awning. Remote switches, owner's guide, as well as user manual are on there too. And since this is also Starlink prepped, you could connect this to the internet. You could download apps. You could then control it from your cell phone. If you happen to be off premises, maybe you're at the restaurant and you realize, oh shoot, we got to cut the AC on. You can actually do it. That is fantastic. But if you're thinking to yourself, you know what? I use Google Maps. I use Apple Music. I use Android Auto. I use Apple CarPlay. Or I just want to watch YouTube videos on here. That is pretty funky, man. That is pretty funky. I am digging that. The Camp Command system is a wonderful technological advancement when it comes to RVs. Now, our primary suite up here, like I mentioned before, is a east to west queen size bed. I got some storage up above my head, another little trash can right there, mushroom lights for reading, inverter outlet, as well as USB CNA charging and nightstand space right there. Let me lift this up because that's going to be strut supported. And you'll see, if you need to access anything from the storage outside, you don't have to go outside and get it. You can just lift the bed up, especially if it's raining or nasty outside. You don't want to go out there and oh, shoot, I left this in the bag. You can grab it right there without even leaving the coach. So some pretty cool camp conveniences. More importantly, it's a Cherokee. So they have a huge history and a huge owners group for a reason. They build good coaches. And this just happens to be a sweet little family coach. Not too shabby. Got the little sleeper sofa. Ryan, I think you nailed it. This is the kids' sleepover coach. Okay, come on, let's go outside and see what we got there. Here we are on the outside of the Cherokee Wolf Pup 18PB. Once again, this coach is 23 feet, 10 inches. You're looking at 4,400 pounds dry. Now, we are seated on a very sturdy T9 chassis frame. This is something that Cherokee built in conjunction with Lippert. Not only is it about 3 times sturdier than the industry standard, it's also rated for over 2,000 hours of salt exposure. Since it is Wolf Pup and we're looking at entry level, price point. So you're going to have some things like manual tongue jack, only one 20-pound LP tank, but you still get the battery rail as well as the disconnect, the diamond plated rock guard to help make sure the debris doesn't mess up our Superflex roof or front cap that we have here. Let's see what we got for my storage. Magnetic anti-slam doors. This is finished off. You'll see you got your solar charge controller in here as well, because you do have a solar panel on top of your 18PB. Manual stab jacks in the front as well as the rear. Solid steps leading me into the tempered glass door, and blue lights on my awning as well as on my speakers. I pick on the blue lights, but there is a reason to it. A, it's easier on the eyes, and B, it doesn't attract bugs. So there you go. Since it is a bunk model, technically, you do have to have a little bit of an outside kitchen. So I got prep space, I got mini fridge, and then I have LP Quick Connects to be able to cook all them hot dogs, burgers, and grilled cheese sandwiches. Now, tire pressure monitoring on my blackout aluminum rims here, digging that, especially with that rugged off-road tire. One thing I want to check though. Oh yeah, galvanized well. I like that because when you're talking about if you do want to take this off the grid, you see how the height clearance that we have, that's going to help out. But having the galvanized well means I'm not going to have rocks and debris hitting the underside of my coach, damaging on this side. Black tank flush, pawl mount for my TV, so if I want to move it from inside to outside, I can. Cable connection as well as power, and that is the back of your Suburban furnace. Just don't put a camp chair there if you do have it running. Don't ask me how I know. Rear stab jack with the leash latch. Now, this is an option. I asked them to put this on. Usually in the Wolf Pup, you don't get the storage rack put on here, but you can. Just talk to your specialist at Camping World about, hey, when I get mine in, can I put that on? But you do get the 4x4 sewer hose storage, and you get the Bluetooth observation camera. That is a wonderful feature because you don't have to worry about buying one. It's already on there. Come around to the off-camp side, you'll see your 30-amp plug, scare light for a little bit of security. Got the cable-driven slides. I like those because they're proven. They've been around forever. Less components, and which means less stuff to break. The other thing I'm a fan of is what they did with their windows a couple of years ago. They put this metallic sheen that's kind of like a mirror. So that's going to help keep the coach a little bit cooler, but it also gives you that 80% privacy tinting on there. And here's just another little storage compartment. That's probably where I would put the, sewer connections or anything, tool bag, whatever I needed. Maybe the grab and go if we're going to hit the beach. External shower with hot and cold, freshwater, city water. And right here is my Starlink prep hole. So I like how they are making RV Starlink prep, because with that command center, having internet, I think that's going to be key. And that right there is the back of your tankless water heater. But for an unconventional bunk model, that could technically be a couples coach. Now, this is the sleepover RV. I mean, it really is. This is the sleepover RV. I think they call it the PB because you're going to be making the kids the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches to take in there for the movie, right? Yeah, you got to, right, Ramo? So if you're thinking to yourself, hey, I want to check it out, rv.campingworld.com, or just come on into your local Camping World. And like, subscribe, and notify if you got anything out of this video. But more importantly, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. This is a brand new unit. I would love to get your feedback because Cherokee listens to that feedback. They're one of the best at it. So please, leave me a comment. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Thank you so much for watching the Wolf Pup 18PB, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.